So in this video I am going to be making an origami swan just like this one. You will need a square piece of paper just like this one. So the first step is to fold a piece of paper just like this. Now you need to just unfold it like this. The next step is to just fold the corners into the middle line. Then you might want to do the same to the other side. So now you need to turn it over and do the same to the other side, just like this. So now you need to fold the point at the bottom to the point at the top. So now you need to fold the head down. Now you need to pick the whole thing up and just fold it. After you've folded it fully, just pull the neck up like this. After you've pulled the neck up, you need to pull the beak up. Then after that, just need to spread it out, just like that. And there's the made. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe and share. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!